Mortgage Guy again. Today we're going to be talking about the 7 things not to do if you're purchasing a home. And this is going to be a pretty basic list, but let's get started. Number 1, don't make any major purchases like furniture, appliances, jewelry, or vehicles, or even vacations. Don't do it. 2, make sure you have don't have your credit report pulled too many times because this can hurt your credit. 3, do not withdraw, deposit, or move large amounts of money in and out of your bank account. Seems logical, doesn't it? 4, don't pay off debts or collections unless you're instructed to do so by a mortgage professional like myself. 5, do not use cash in a good faith deposit. Cash is difficult to verify and could result in a closing delay, and more than likely will result in a closing delay, so you've been warned. 6, do not change or quit your job. That is the most simple thing on earth, and you'd be shocked how many folks actually go out and change jobs right before they're ready to close on a loan, which means you're going to have to wait another 30 days before you can actually close on your deal. Number 7, do not sign or co-sign for a loan for anyone until this deal is done. It's mission critical. Do not sign or co-sign on anyone else's loan until this deal is done. Again, all of these seem to be fairly simplistic and straightforward, but no matter what, keep these in mind. If you have any questions, you can call me. The number again is 251-616-0005, or you can email me at localmortgageguy@gmail.com. I'm here to help, and I hope you're having a wonderful day and look forward to talking to you soon, and best of luck getting into that new house. Thank you, and talk to you soon.